Hello you guys, good morning. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Okay, we are going to start our class of today. Let's start with the daily routine. Okay, yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Excellent. The date of today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Remember to write the date at the top of the pages. Okay, let's see what is going to be the weather today. The weather today is going to be sunny. Maybe it's going to rain at night, but all the day we are going to have a hot temperature. And we're still in spring. Now we are going to see the activities that we are going to make today. We are going to make the mental math. We are going to see language, and we are going to read in the reading section. Okay? Let's start. We are in the mental math section, and we are going to put the date at the top of the box, and we are going to put the result of the operations. Okay? We start with the number 1. 38 plus 21 minus 3 equal. 38 plus 21 minus 3 equal. Number 2. 55 times 2 minus 10 equal. 55 times 2 minus 10 equal. Number 3. 66 divided by 2 plus 40 equal. 66 divided by 2 plus 40 equal. Number 4. 77 times 3 equal. 77 times 3 equal. And the last one. 88 times 2 minus 6. 88 times 2 minus 6 equal. Okay, now we are going to watch a video about imperatives because it's the next activity that we are going to make in language, okay? So, start. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are commands. Using the imperative form implies that the listener does not have a choice. To use this form, take out the question phrase and change the question mark into a period. Here we have an example of a request. Would you like to come with me to the meeting? Okay, this sentence gives the listener the opinion of coming to the meeting or not. An imperative sentence like come with me to the meeting, it means that this sentence tells the listener they have to come to the meeting. Okay? Okay, in the next exercise we have to read the sentence. If the sentence is a request, we have to rewrite it as a command. And if the sentence is imperative, we are going to rewrite it as a request. Okay, let's make the first one together. Would you like to go hiking in the woods with me? Okay, this is a question, so we are going to put it like a command. So we can put go hiking in the woods with me. Okay, in this sentence we take out the question mark and then we put a period to make it a command. Okay, let's make together the number 2. Look up there. That it's an imperative question, so we are going to make it as a question. Could you look up there? Okay, we put a question mark. Excellent. Try to make the number 3, and here we have a mistake. Here is number 4, but it doesn't matter, don't worry about it. Okay, let's continue in the page 84. Imperative sentences. We can use the imperative form to tell someone not to do something. Just write do not or don't in front of the command. Imperative sentences can be used for giving instructions, orders, commands, or advice, or for making suggestions. Imperative sentences are always spoken in the second person, talking to another person or a group of people. The second person is formed by using the pronoun you. In imperative form, the pronoun you is simple, understood, and not to say. Examples. Do not sit there. Don't cross the street before looking both ways. In this exercise, we are allowed to see the signs. Match them with their imperative meaning. Then write the letter of the sign next to the sentence. For example, let's see this sign. No phones beyond this point. What could be the imperative sentence? Okay, I think that the number 3, do not enter with the phone, can be this one. So here we are going to put the letter F. Okay? The other one, okay, warning, no flash photography. Okay, I think the imperative sentence can be turn the flash on your camera off. Okay, so I am going to put here the letter B. Okay, very good. It's easily now. So continue do it by yourself, and then I will check it. Okay, let's continue with our work and our activities. Let's go to the page number 44 of reading. Okay, I am going to put you this little video, so watch it carefully. Okay.
Uncle.
Happy to learn.
Do you like the video? That video is about Machu Picchu, okay? So they say that is the city in the sky. So we are going to listen carefully the story, and we are going to follow the reading with our finger, okay? Let's go.
In the sky. It's been a long 4 days on the Inca Trail. You have trekked through the hot jungle. You have zigzagged up and down huge green mountains. Many of your friends were sick as you crossed the highest point on the trail, over 4,200 meters above sea level. You passed through land called the Cloud Forest. It's called that because the trail is so high, it passes through the clouds. On your 4th day of hiking, a clearing appears. You see what looks like a giant fortress floating in the clouds. It can't be. The clouds shift, and you see a city built of ancient stones at the top of the mountain. You have reached Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Inca. You wonder, how did this place get here? Your guide explains as you climb the terraces leading to the Inti Pungu, the Sun Gate, the entrance to Machu Picchu. As you wander around the site, your guide tells you it was built in 1450. That's when the Inca Empire was at its most powerful. Many buildings were made to observe the sun's movements. The Inca believed they could tie up the sun. On 2 days out of the year, the sun lines up directly above one special temple. This helped the Inca decide when to grow their food. They believed the gods showed them this method. You have to wonder if they knew the gods themselves. The guide explains that the Spanish invaded Peru shortly after Machu Picchu was built. The city is only 80 kilometers from Cusco, Peru's old capital, but the Spanish never found it. You can see why. You probably wouldn't find the way either without your trusty local guide. In fact, the city stayed hidden for hundreds of years. Locals showed it to foreigners again in 1911. A farmer showed the place to an American named Hiram Bingham. Hiram did not find any gold or gems there. Unlike the Spanish, he was not looking for treasure. He was an archaeologist, a scientist who studies old cultures. He thought the site itself was a treasure trove of history. The sun sets on the old stones of Machu Picchu. You wonder how such giant stones got here. Your guide tells you the Inca people didn't use wheels, which makes the construction of the city even more amazing. She goes on to explain that the Inca people were expert craftsmen. The stones fit perfectly on top of each other. But scientists still don't know how the Inca moved the huge stones into place. Even after almost 600 years, the walls look as if they were built yesterday. The last train leaves in just a few minutes. You look out at the view around you. The colors change from gold to red to blue. It was tough getting here, but you feel connected to this place. You feel as if you have heard a secret that was hidden from the world for hundreds of years. The train slowly chugs down the mountain. You know you will never forget the mysterious lost city of the Inca.
Okay, beautiful story. Okay, then we are going to make in our optional pages check for understanding, and we are going to make a draw from the story. Okay, you can choose any picture that you have in your book, or you can invent any draw. Okay, then we are going to make the final activity, that is grammar check. It says here, underline the preposition in the following sentences, then take from the story. Then you are going to write if that preposition refers to a time or a place. I am going to make the first one for you. The number one says, the clouds shift and you see a city of ancient stones at the top of the mountain. Okay, the preposition in this sentence is at, and it refers for the place. Okay, so we are going to write here place. Okay, so try to find the preposition in the number 2, in the number 3, and in the number 4, and you are going to put if it refers to time or to a place. Okay, very good. With this activity we finish our activities for today. So have fun, and remember that I miss you and that I love you so much. See you. Bye bye.